Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this. That it is the KUZOR single lever bathroom tap. It's a chrome brass wash basin tap for the bathroom with 50 centimeter cold and hot water, 3/8 inches hoses. Easy installation, bathroom installations tap for the bathroom, and it's for the sink. That's a really cool thing because it's small and compact, and it matches really good to a standard fasang, as you can see. Here it comes, the original modern design. They have been focusing on original design for over 20 years. They have always pursued and improved their usability and aesthetics of the things. It is suitable for bathrooms, for washrooms, for RVs, for sinks or wash basins. If we want to get the most out of our tap, this must be one of our first choice. Whether it is a new renovation or a replacement, it will update the room, of course, beautifully. And durable and high quality materials are built in. All the materials are made of metal, not plastic. Consist of a solid brass body, a high temperature EPDM hot and cold hose with 19.7 inches, with standard G.5 inches compression threads and a 500,000 on-off tested drip-free ceramic filter elements for stability and long life. And as you can see, it's easy installation. This bathroom vanity taps comes with all accessories and included comprehensive installation instruction. We open the package to install it directly. The installation time should be less than 15 minutes and easy to use. The flexible handle design provides accurate and even water flow and temperature control. The bottom of the handle and is slightly seized to prevent the thumb from slipping. And of course we can save water with this tap. A built-in removable tap aerator means that helps us to completely mix the water and air with it. And it creates a foam effect. It saves up to 20% of water consumption. And the water flow is of course more comfortable and light. You have a single lever faucet body, a square washer, a male screw, 2 hoses which are pre-installed, a rubber washer, a metal washer, and of course a famous screw. So easy installation process you saw on that video here, and the tap looks really classic and enjoyable. This is the KUZOR single lever bathroom tap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.